Enter a captivating realm where the allure of glamour intertwines with the precision of geometry, and the echoes of the past seamlessly dance with the present. Welcome to the enigmatic world of Art Deco interior style. In this timeless aesthetic, we unravel a celebration of luxury, opulence, and sophistication that beckons you into a realm of mystery and allure. As your guide through this fascinating journey, join us as we delve into the cryptic history. Unveil the mesmerizing principles, and decipher the captivating rules that shape the very essence of Art Deco design. Prepare for an exploration into a design movement that, like a well-guarded secret, has ensnared hearts for nearly a century. Art Deco emerged during the Roaring 1920s, a period marked by unprecedented social and artistic change. Originating in France, this design movement rapidly spread across the globe, leaving an indelible mark on architecture, fashion, and, of course, interior design. The style influenced architecture and interior design, reaching its peak in the 1930s with iconic structures like the Empire State Building. Despite declining after World War II, Art Deco's timeless allure has endured, experiencing periodic revivals and leaving an indelible mark on design aesthetics today. Here are 10 principles that encapsulate the essence of Art Deco, guiding you towards creating spaces that resonate with the glamour, sophistication, and modernity inherent in this timeless style. 1. Geometric shapes and patterns. Art Deco welcomes you into a world of bold lines and mesmerizing patterns. Picture the sleek elegance of chevron patterns, zigzag motifs, and sharp geometric shapes that breathe life into every corner of the space. From meticulously designed furniture to enchanting flooring, incorporating these bold elements adds a dynamic modernity. Creating a harmonious blend of structure and sophistication. 2. Luxurious materials. At the heart of Art Deco lies a devotion to luxury that is palpable in every carefully chosen material. Imagine the richness of exotic woods like ebony and rosewood. The timeless allure of marble gracing countertops and flooring, and the reflective sheen of chrome and lacquer accents. These opulent materials not only evoke a sense of grandeur but also contribute to the overall refinement that defines Art Deco interiors. Three. Bold colors. Art Deco beckons you into a world of color, where subtlety takes a backseat. Envision a palette dominated by deep, rich hues, emerald greens, royal blues, and regal reds that create a symphony of drama and flair. These bold colors, applied generously to walls, furnishings, and accessories. This elevate the atmosphere, and transforming every space into a vibrant and captivating visual experience. Four. Sunburst and Chevron motifs. Art Deco indulges in a love affair with sunburst and chevron motifs. Visualize mirrors, carpets, and furniture adorned with these captivating designs, reminiscent of the glamorous Jazz age. Sunbursts radiate energy and movement, while chevrons add a touch of sophistication. Incorporating these motifs into your interior design pays homage to the iconic patterns that defined an era of exuberance. Five. Streamlined furniture. Art Deco invites you to experience furniture that is the epitome of sleek sophistication. Envision the smooth lines and streamlined appearance of curved sofas. Lacquered tables, and furnishings with chrome accents. Each piece is carefully curated to not only exude modernity but also seamlessly blend functionality with style, creating a harmonious and elegant living space. 6. Statement lighting. Lighting in Art Deco interiors transcends its utilitarian role, becoming sculptural art. Envision geometric chandeliers, bold pendants, and glamorous sconces that illuminate while serving as captivating focal points. These fixtures, meticulously chosen for their artistic merit, bathe the space in a warm glow. Adding an extra layer of sophistication to the ambiance. Seven. Mirrored surfaces. Reflective surfaces play a pivotal role in the enchanting world of Art Deco design. Imagine mirrors with intricate, geometric frames strategically placed to serve both functional and aesthetic purposes. These reflective surfaces amplify the sense of space and light. contributing to the overall grandeur and creating an atmosphere of timeless elegance. 8. Bold artwork. Art Deco interiors are a canvas for bold and dynamic artwork. Visualize cubist paintings, stylized portraits, and oversized murals that demand attention and make a statement. The art in this style reflects the boldness and confidence of the era. Transforming each space into a gallery that tells a story of artistic exploration and avant-garde expression. 9. Symmetry and Asymmetry. Art Deco achieves a delicate equilibrium through the interplay of symmetry and asymmetry. Picture the meticulous placement of furniture and architectural details that maintain a sense of order. While asymmetrical elements introduce a hint of unpredictability and intrigue. This delicate balance creates spaces that are both visually pleasing and captivatingly dynamic. (10) Cinematic glamour. The allure of Art Deco is intertwined with the glamour of old Hollywood. Envision spaces that channel cinematic influences through elements like mirrored vanities, plush upholstery, and statement accessories. Picture a room that transcends time, capturing the essence of a bygone era's allure. Creating a haven of luxury where every detail is a nod to the timeless elegance of the silver screen. In conclusion, Art Deco interior style is not just a design movement, it's a celebration of an era marked by boldness, glamour, and innovation. By adhering to the principles of geometric shapes, luxurious materials, bold colors, and statement pieces, one can effortlessly bring the allure of Art Deco into any space. Embracing the timeless elegance of Art Deco allows you to create spaces that transcend trends. And stand as testaments to the enduring appeal of this iconic style. So, embark on this detailed journey, exploring each principle with care and precision. Let the spirit of Art Deco infuse your designs with a touch of timeless sophistication. As you weave together the intricate elements of this design style, remember that Art Deco is not just a trend. It's a design philosophy that continues to captivate and inspire. May your spaces resonate with the grandeur of Art Deco, creating an enduring legacy of style and elegance.